Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, American Rodder. And if you like these type of videos, be sure to please like, subscribe, and share. And now without further ado, let's get into what's being sold this week on the internet. And here's number one. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda for $10,500. Driven approximately 68,000 miles. And this 1968 Barracuda convertible has power top, power steering, extremely straight body, no broken glass. Has a 318 engine that runs super good and can be used as a daily driver. He has all the trim in the trunk with extra door panels that are good. Does need a new top and paint job, as you can see by the pics. The power top does work up and down. So over and all, I rate this as a very good deal, because who can buy a classic car convertible for $10,500 that's drivable? But this car is located in Coleman, Alabama, and look at the link in the description to get the general availability of where the car is located at on Facebook. And buy this if you're looking for a great car to restore. Plymouth Barracudas are becoming more highly collectible, especially from the ones from the 1960s. And I think this would be an easy restoration, because you already got a good start on it, and a very nice car project. Okay, up next for number two is a 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 for $4,500. Now what's great about this car, you get a car donor with it. Listed in Campbell, Texas. If you got a way to get out there and get these cars, you get the original car, which would be great for restoration, and you get a additional car donor, which would be great for parts, things like that. And that's already put you ahead of the game on trying to restore a car. And these Ford Galaxy two-door hardtops are very, very desirable right now. So you already got your parts car, and this is a black one, has no motor or engine, but it does have a title. The blue one does have a motor, and the owner is not for sure it's a 352 or 390, but it does not have a title. He wants $4,500 for both, firm with no trades. And for me, I think like I said, you're already ahead of the game. You got a lot of parts that can be taken off the donor car to help restore the black car. And for me, this is a good deal. Getting two 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 two-door hardtops for only this amount, $4,500. Number three car deal. Of all the ones listed tonight, this is probably my favorite. It's a 1969 Mercury Montego, $8,500 with 73,000 miles. It is a one-owner two-door hardtop. 69 Mercury, 351 engine, automatic, power steering, AM radio, remote mirror, new wheels and tires. All those work great. 90% of it is the original paint. The original interior is all there except for the front seat cover, and if you can look at the pictures, it looks almost stock like the rear seat cover as well. The car does have some cosmetic needs. As you can see in the pictures, it's got some small dents around the edges of the fenders, needs some paint, but overall the seller says it's a very solid car. Comes with a Marty report and original documentation. You normally don't find that. But that's all because this is a one-owner 1969 Mercury with only 73,525 miles. Okay, number four. Now this car was featured on one of my previous videos. It is a 1968 Ford Mustang for $1,500. Now this Mustang has been sitting for 20 years, but if you can look at the pictures that's offered, it seems to be 100% complete, although it is in need of a total restoration. It's a 6-cylinder. It is a blue exterior, and the interior is blue as well with automatic transmission. It is the two-door coupe model, and for that particular year model, 1968, there was approximately 670,000 of these cars sold by Ford, which make it the second highest all-time selling Ford Mustang ever manufactured. Now this car is highly desired by collectors. These cars are being snatched up everywhere you go, and this one I think would make a great project. Number 5 is a Mustang as well. This is a 1966 Ford Mustang for $13,500. This car is a daily driver and has 59,500 miles on it. It does have the Rally Sport stripes. Pretty good glossy exterior. The exterior is blue as well, and the interior black. Has a clean title, and the car, like I said, described as running and driving, but it does have a small dent, as you can see right there on the trunk. Needs some cosmetic work. You're way ahead on this car as far as restoration goes. It is a complete car, and just a beautiful interior, as you can see there in the pictures. It appears to be mostly all original, with the exception of the rims. They look like they're a new modern aftermarket rim. You've got a non-original steering wheel, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Just a beautiful little old car for the price. Okay, number 6 is a 1973 MGB B model for $950, located in Chattanooga, Tennessee. This car has an original 45,000 miles on it. The exterior is gray. This car runs and drives. Has a new fuel tank, but it does need some definitely restoration work. There is some floor rust, no seats or interior panels, but let me tell you, with the way gas prices are today, this car would make a great one to be restored. And like you say, these cars are being gobbled up by other collectors as well. You don't see many of them around anymore. But overall, for the money, this one would be a great starter project for somebody to restore. Number 7. This is a 1925 Dodge Plymouth Street Rod for $11,500. Now, for the price of $10,500, a lot of work has already been cut out for you in creating this street rod. And not only that, but I don't think you'd even get the parts to build one for that cheap. But this was a unique fiberglass body, 1925 Dodge Brothers Plymouth, and it has right-hand steering. Maybe somebody at one time was trying to build it to take it overseas. I'm not for sure. But it does have new paint. It has a Holly Demon carburetor, hooker headers, new alternator, plugs and wires, 350 turbo transmission with a new filter, gasket, new jog pan and drain plug, GM rear end with Mickey Thompson tires. Just overall a beautiful street rod and easy to finish on out, and a great deal for the price. Okay, up next, number 8. This is a 1951 Chevrolet. The top has been radically chopped on it, turning it into a street rod for $12,000. Now, this particular car has automatic transmission. The exterior color is black and the interior is black. It's the second owner to own this car who currently has it for sale. What I like about this car, that for street rod value, it has had a lot of the body work already done on it. A chopped top is very expensive to get on metal cars. And here you have this one almost nearly complete. I think it's a great deal for the money. Number 9. This is a 1947 Oldsmobile for $5,500, listed in Georgia. Exterior is gray, the interior is brown. This 1947 Oldsmobile car is extremely rust-free. Has a Camaro front clip with power steering and power disc brakes. He has all the interior trim pieces, brand new wheels and tires, extra dash and factory clock with a glove compartment, and lots of other parts to go with it. It has a clear Georgia title. The seller says that he would part with it for $4,000 without the wheels and tires. Still a great deal. Now, number 10 is a 1964 Ford F1 pickup truck for $1,800. Unfortunately, by the time I edited all this video at the last minute, this truck sold. Just a testament how these trucks are being grabbed up everywhere, especially if you get them for a good deal. This truck was running according to the original ad, and it has the bed with it, which is not currently on the truck. But either way, this truck sold, and if you can find any 1961 Ford pickups, they are going fast. Be on the lookout for them. Great trucks to restore, and they're just beautiful once restored. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And please leave a comment. I love everybody's comments, whether they're good or bad, and I will answer those comments.